My name is Andrian from Group 4 and today I will talk about concrete mix design. The objective of this practicum is to determine the ideal proportion of the concrete mixture intended to get the concrete quality desired. In general terms, concrete can be defined as a composite material comprising a matrix of a rocky material, typically aggregate, and a binding agent, typically a cementous material, which hold the matrix together. In designing concrete, every material plays a vital role. For instance, cement acts as a binding agent, where it reacts with water to form a paste and harden over time, and will bind the aggregate entirely. Determining the physical and chemical properties of the aggregate is equally important to fulfill a construction need as well as achieve the desired quality of the concrete. In short, these variables determine strength, workability, as well as thermal and chemical resistance of the finished product. Apart from that standpoint, concrete mix design also influence the economical sides of the construction. So, the procedure of this practicum are shown in 7 steps in the slides. So, the first step is determining the slump value. The second step is determining the maximum size of coarse aggregate. The third step is determine the estimated water and air content. Step 4 is to determine the water-cement ratio. And the fifth step is calculation of cement content. Sixth step is estimated of coarse aggregate content. The seventh step is estimated of fine aggregate content. And the last step is adjustment or correction of mixing proportion to the moisture aggregate. So, the data needed in this practicum can be obtained from the previous practicum, which are shown in the slides here. The data that we need are bulk density of coarse aggregate, fineness modulus of fine aggregate, specific gravity of fine aggregate in SSD condition, specific gravity of coarse aggregate in SSD condition, water content of fine aggregate, water content of coarse aggregate, absorption of the fine aggregate, and absorption of coarse aggregate. So the analysis of this practicum are: first, we need to determine the slump value. In this practicum, the construction type of concrete we aims are building column. So the maximum slump value is 100 mm and minimum slump value is 25 mm. Second, we need to determine the maximum size of coarse aggregate. The maximum size of coarse aggregate that we use in this practicum are 37.5 mm. Then, we need to determine the estimated water and air content. From the slump value obtained and the maximum aggregate size, we could obtain the amount of water needed, which is 181 kg per meter cubic. And then, we need to determine the water-cement ratio. The target compressive strength we aims is 30 megapascal. Therefore, the water-cement ratio is 0.54. After that, we can calculate the amount of cement by dividing the amount of water with the water-cement ratio, which the amount will be 335.185 kg per meter cubic. The next step is to estimate the amount of coarse aggregate. Based on the fineness modulus and the size of coarse aggregate, the volume of the coarse aggregate will be 0.69. To obtain the weight of coarse aggregate, we need to multiply the volume with the bulk density, which will be obtained the amount of 977.72 kg per meter cubic coarse aggregate. Then, to estimate the fine aggregate, there are two methods. The first method is based on mass and the other method is based on volume. In this practicum, the method used is the mass base. To get the fine aggregate value, we can simply subtracting the total amount of mixture with the water, cement, and coarse aggregate. To obtain the total amount of the mixture can be based on the table or with the formula shown here. The amount used will be the bigger one. It is shown that the bigger value goes to the table 1, which is 2,410 kg per meter cubic. Therefore, by subtracting the total amount with the cement, water, and coarse aggregate, the value of fine aggregate will be 916.095 kg per meter cubic. So, the final step will be adjusting the mixture proportion. To adjust the value of water, fine aggregate, and coarse aggregate, the formula will be shown here. The water content and absorption of fine and coarse aggregate will be used in this formula. After doing the calculation, the amount of water, fine aggregate, and coarse aggregate will be 207.625 kg per meter cubic, 914.812 kg per meter cubic, and 952.377 kg per meter cubic. The amount of each mole will be calculated by multiplying the amount obtained above with the volume of the mold. So the amount needed for every component of each mold is 1.1 kg for water, 1.77 kg for cement, 4.84 kg for fine aggregate, and 5.04 kg for coarse aggregate. So the total amount of every component with a total mold of 8 is 8.8 kg for water, 14.16 kg for cement, 38.72 kg for fine aggregate, and 40.32 kg for coarse aggregate. So the conclusion of this practicum, the total amount of water that we need is 8.8 kg. The total amount of cement that we need is 14.16 kg. The total amount of fine aggregate that we need is 38.72 kg. And the amount of coarse aggregate that we need is 40.32 kg. And there are several error factors that could affect the result of this practicum. Some of them are shown here. First, human error when doing the previous practicum which affect the data needed in this practicum. Instrumental error from the previous chapter where this error cumulatively impacts the number obtained to be inaccurate. So that's all that I can talk about concrete mix design. Thank you.